The roommates. What is that beeping? It won't stop, thought Hannah, as she tried to wake up and turn her alarm off. Is it really 6 a.m. already? As she replayed last night's events in her head, she remembered that she had worked on her research paper until 2 a.m. She hadn't really meant to pull it off until the last minute. But with her work schedule, 3 other classes, and making time for her boyfriend, Caleb, things had just gotten away from her. Unfortunately, she knew that paper wasn't her best work, but since it was due at 9 a.m., she was out of options. No way was her professor going to give her another deadline extension. She'd already gotten 2 for previous assignments. As she struggled to wake up, Hannah reviewed other things she needed to do that day. Classes at 8 a.m., 9 a.m., and 1 p.m., work at 3 p.m., and then more homework. When would she find time for Caleb? As shaky as things had been the past few weeks, she knew it was important to spend time with him today. He had been so unhappy lately, it seemed like no matter what happened, she couldn't get him to talk about things to fix the situation. Caleb was still on her mind as Hannah left her bedroom and headed to the bathroom to brush her teeth. Her roommate, Morgan, was just coming in from her morning run and was just a little perkier than Hannah could muster at 6 a.m. But she said hello anyways. She really liked Morgan, and she was a good roommate, but it could be really hard to be around her since everything always seemed to go her way. Just last week, Morgan found out she'd received a scholarship to help her with her college expenses, yet Hannah still had to work extra hours just to make ends meet. It just didn't seem fair. Wow, thought Megan as she walked past her roommate, surprised that Hannah was awake already, after planning to stay up late and finish her paper last night. Morgan really likes and cares about Hannah. She knows that Hannah has been feeling pressure in a lot of areas of her life. Managing her time and money both seemed to be a challenge for Hannah, and lately she and her boyfriend had been fighting a lot. As Hannah came into the kitchen for breakfast, Morgan remembered that the rent check needed to be mailed today. Hey Hannah, do you want to give me your part of the rent? I can just drop it in the mail with mine today. Morgan asked. Oh, sure, said Hannah. And as she subtracted the check from her checkbook register, she realized that the payday was not for 5 days and she only had $25 left. That's cutting it close, she thought. But I have to pay my half of the rent. I sure hope I can make it until payday. Over breakfast, the two chatted about their coming day. While Hannah had an overly full class and work schedule, Morgan had only 2 classes, both of which she really enjoyed. Lunch scheduled with her sister, and she decided she would spend some time looking for a new job. When Hannah asked why she was beginning a job hunt, Morgan replied, Oh, I like my job and all, but the new manager has really changed a lot of things and seems determined to hire all of his own people. He is making it really hard for people who have already been working there. I've been trying to take his criticism and constructive, but it's adding a lot of stress to my life. It seems like now might be the time to look for something new, with less stress. I have enough money in my savings account that I can make it a few months if I got desperate. But I sure don't want things to get to that point if I can find something else now. As Hannah was preparing herself for another busy and overwhelming day, she found herself wishing that she had the financial freedom to create a less stressful life for herself.